barn find, honestly. It wasn't for sale. I had to... Come on. What's the date today? It's December 30th. December 30th.
It's cold as fuck.
It's cold as fuck. I don't really know what car this is or what it's doing. There's a lot of shit. But yeah, I'll see you guys in like 5 months. Got new plates. Haven't driven a manual car in almost a year. Oh my god. Holy fuck, guys. This thing looked fucking crazy. What the fuck? So you guys are probably wondering, what's the car? I'm pretty sure you guys know what the car is. You guys also probably wondering what I'm doing right now. So okay, first off, it's not what it looks like. The silver is not it. So we're just gonna get that done right now. All right, so if you guys haven't noticed already, this is my 2010 Veris V3 STi. And this is the car. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Don't mind that right here. This already happened on the first day I had it. I didn't realize how low it was and I hit a curb. Anyways, like I said, this car has been a journey and a half to get going. And I'm so happy that you guys get to see the build and watch the progression as I turn this car into something absolutely insane. Now, I haven't done anything different yet since I bought the car, except the wing on the back, and that's from my old STi. Body kit looks insane. Side skirts, front, the full side skirts are beautiful. These side skirts are a pain in the ass, first off. Rocks get stuck in here all the time. I don't know if you guys can see, that's glass. That's literally a piece of glass. And also the bumper too, which is also part of the Veris kit. But right now it's kind of fucked up, so yeah. I mean, that was the previous owner's fault, but I'm gonna fix it. Honestly, not bad. Came with the flat bottom steering wheel. You guys know I've always wanted that. Let me hop in this car because like this highway is way too loud. Kind of a barn find, honestly. But the car did come like pretty much race ready. KW V3 coils, full carbon drive shaft. Can't even speak. And I'm gonna build it out to, you know, make it some absolutely ridiculous looking car. Really hope you guys stay along for the journey. I know it's been a long time since I've posted, but I promise things will get a lot different really soon. And this is what I was doing the other day when I showed you guys the inside. It was kind of fucked up, but I got the screen going and I sueded the dash myself. I mean, it looks all right, pretty good for an Amir job. But yeah, this is a quick little video. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more clips of the car, and then yeah, maybe we'll hit a car show or something. Boom, just a little intermission before I head out here. I just wanted to say, I know you guys been seeing, I've been posting a lot more shorts on YouTube. There's a good reason for that. I love making short form content. I love making informational content. So if you guys are enjoying that content or have any feedback for me, please leave it in the description. I love to hear that feedback. So I'm at Protex right now for a little meet. I'm gonna show you guys some of the cars that I have here. It's pretty nice. Come take a look with me. These cars are actually not that bad for like a little meet, you know what I mean? At Protex, but I wanted to show you guys something. So I just was thinking right now, like, imagine if I said fuck Subaru. Hear me out, listen, fuck Subaru, and what if I just got one of these? Think about it, just hear me out. This is nice, like, this is valid. I mean, like, I know it's not as unique, but like, fuck, right? God, that back is so beautiful, guys, come on. It's actually kind of funny. It's disgusting. Guys, shoot with this GTR right now. Look at this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous. One day I will have this shit. Look at this. Absolutely insane. That wide body is so nice. It's so clean. Huh? Too good. It's just too good. Let me see that. Oh my god. Such a clean build.
So easy.
God damn. I'm actually soaking wet right now. So I'm gonna end the video here. Next video, we're gonna be putting the rims on the car. We got money. Yo, you want to say what up to the YouTube video, bro? Yo, what you saying, little bro? What you saying, twin? Yo, let's see if I can get the money. Yo, I'm actually extremely close to, oh shit. I just love the body kit on this car, it's insane. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.